Hi, my name is Shelley Solberg, and I'm the creator of Let's Play Music. Welcome to the Green Turtle Shells semester. This is an exciting year. Everything that was built upon in the first year will now be applied to the keyboard. The rhythms, the ear training, the chords, the harmonies, and that staff that they learned in the first year, now they will get to apply that to the piano. The ups and downs, the steps and the skips, all of it will make sense as they've already learned it on the tone bells. Their ear training, they've already learned to discover what the primary chords sound like, and now the piano and its layout will help to confirm how these chords are set up. Through studying the chords using our intervals and our turtle shells, your child will understand how chords are put together, both on the staff and on the keyboard. And this is a fantastic skill for their complete musicianship. Another thing is we will be continuing with our study of classical music using the puppet shows, but in this semester, we will use the puppet shows to introduce dynamics. We'll learn piano and forte, and then we'll be able to play those on the keyboard. After the voice being the first instrument, the piano is the next most helpful instrument in learning music. That's because of its layout being in sequence with how the staff is laid out. It's easy to tell that one note moving up on the staff is one note moving to the right on the keyboard. And the keyboard will be a very great teacher to your child this year in teaching them music theory. As with first year, the parent and grown-up bonding continues to be an imperative part of your child's learning. So keep all of the practicing at home and the class participation positive and uplifting and exciting. Use encouragement rather than criticism, and your child will truly thrive this year. This semester is called Green Turtle Shells on purpose. This is because it moves slow, and this is intentional. We want your child to build confidence, and we want your child to develop solid habits. So as your child sits at the piano and develops the technique that we are introducing right from lesson 1, we want them to be in the habit of taking the time to place themselves the appropriate distance from the keyboard, to place themselves at the appropriate height from the keyboard, to make sure that their forearm is parallel to the ground, to ensure that those hands can play loosely and flexible on the piano. There are lots of things that we're going to be enforcing with your children, and everything will help them become a well-rounded musician and a confident musician. We're so glad that you're joining us in second year, and know that you will be delighted and shocked with everything that you find. We're glad that you're in Green Turtle Shell semester.